In this video, I'll show you the GetRentacar Review 2025 Cheap Car Rentals Online full tutorial. First, click the link in the description to visit the official website. Once the page opens, you'll see the home page. It should look similar to what you see here. GetRentacar.com is a great option for travelers looking for affordable car rentals. The platform connects renters directly with car owners and local companies, often giving you cheaper prices than big international brands. To maximize your savings, make sure to check the link in the description. It gives you access to special discounts and promotions. Another great way to save is by using their auction feature. You set the price you're willing to pay, and car owners can accept your offer. This is a fantastic way to get a rental that fits your exact budget. So what makes GetRentacar unique? First, the direct connection with owners means more competitive pricing. Second, they operate in dozens of countries, giving you plenty of choices, whether you need an economy car, an SUV, or even a luxury ride. The platform also provides full transparency on pricing, insurance options, and rental terms, so you always know exactly what you're paying for. If you want flexible and affordable rentals, check the link in the description to unlock exclusive GetRentacar discounts and start booking smarter. So don't wait, click the link in the description, grab your discount code, and start saving today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials and exclusive deals.